Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If you all are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down, and I think that's that. I got this hair from Slayaway Beauty, and actually today will be a hair tutorial. So yes, stay tuned. All the links will be in the description below. So the first thing that we are going to be using is Cheek Bond by Salon Pro. 30 seconds. The next thing is actually going to be Easy Edges Coconut Oil Edge Control Stick, and then the Easy Edges Edge Control and Beeswax. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually wipe down my forehead with alcohol. So now I'm just placing a thin layer of Cheek Bond across the front of my forehead as well as along the side of my hairline, at least like an inch in front of. And then I'm going to use a wide tooth comb and I'm going to thin it out. I'm going to let you all watch. Make sure you all are being cautious about the amount that you all are squeezing out because it is a little runny. On the back of the Chic Bond, it does say that you only need one layer, but just to be secure, I put two, and I will go off camera to do the second one. It also only took about 10 minutes for it to dry, so I will be using like this little Fake Me Out composition book to just go in and just fan myself. And this is how I lay my lace to get a sleek install. So I know I wasn't supposed to be pressing my fingers into my lace and the glue, but I just couldn't find my comb at the time. It's gonna pop up sooner or later, but I didn't see it at the time. So now I'm just making sure that I just lay my lace into it and not to put it in the place that I want, because if you don't, it will leave like a residue. So just make sure that you have it in the position that you would like it to lay. So now I'm just going in with my rat tail comb and making sure that the lace is stuck to my head, basically, making sure that it's pressed in. So yeah, the best thing is to use a rat tail comb. You could use any comb with that little end. Even if it's the plastic end, you will still be okay. And what I'm about to do now is wrap my head for about 10 to 15 minutes with a scarf. And then I will get into styling baby hairs as well as how I get this sleek look. So now I'm going in with my Easy Breeze by Easy Edges. It is a wig spray. It's supposed to detangle, anti-odor, anti-itch. I can't remember everything else it does, but I know it nourishes and moisturizes. So now I'm going in to make a side part, and what I suggest with making side parts look more natural is definitely going in and just plucking some of the hairs out. I did do this off camera because the lighting in my bedroom was just too much. Yeah, so I just had to go into the bathroom and just pluck. But I didn't over pluck because if you do, sometimes you will leave a hole in your lace. I also did not bleach my knots. I will be getting to that, just not right now, not with everything, quarantine and stuff like that going on. Um, yeah. If you all like this video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up. If you all want to stay tuned to your girl Mia, subscribe down below. Guess what? It's free. 99. Free, free, free. Alright. I will see you all in the next video. Deuces.